This is the home screen of the application, and a lot of templates as it relates to you creating your flyer, which you can use. So again, the templates option here, as you can see, a lot of templates based on different things. You can also swipe across at the top here. Let's say you want a template of, say you want to create a flyers or host of a Father's Day. Here you can pretty much see all the templates which you can use. Some of them you may need a subscription. As you can see your code icon there, may need a subscription to use those templates. So over here, the image section, this is pretty much just the image generating feature, AI image generator. Nothing much for that. And here you are in the templates option here, you can pretty much select a blank design if you're gonna go ahead and create your personal one. So if I tap on the blank option here, I can also go ahead and let's say select one of these templates here as it relates to the image. Let's say this one here, and we'll just create the design preview, and I can go ahead and tap on the edit option here and edit it as well. Same thing applies for any one of these templates that you want to use, whether it be the subscription ones or the free ones, which are these here. And you can just tap on the edit option here and we pretty much start editing. So do make sure you log in, because if you don't log in, you won't be able to edit or even use the application overall. So do make sure you log in or sign in with a Google account or your Facebook account. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing much as it relates to this application here. As you can see here as well, you can see this subscription page and you can enter the pricing. So how do you find the subscription page? So the fastest way to find it, you can just pretty much select any one of these big templates here with the crown icon. Once you tap on it, you just tap on the edit option here. And it will say edit only with the plus version, pro plus version. So if you don't have this subscription here, you won't be able to edit the subscription templates. So you can just tap on continue to pricing, and it will pretty much show you the pricing for pretty much everything here as it relates to the subscription. Yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, do please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.